I'm Professor Sajid Rashid Ahmad. I'm the Dean Faculty of Geosciences and the Principal of College of Earth and Environmental Sciences and the Principal of Tourism Department in University of the Punjab. And I was also the former Vice Chancellor of University of Okada and University of Kamalia. So that is my introduction. I did my PhD in University of Windsor, Canada. So I did a lot of work in geo-environment and tourism. So that is the main focus of my research of area.
Thank you, sir. So at the forum today, how does it feel to sit in the forum and listen to all the speeches and thoughts and ideas?
Okay. Yeah, I think this is a very important forum, particularly for the friendship of China and Pakistan. And one road, one belt, that project is very important for Pakistani people because we have the part of that program that is called the CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Program, and that is very important. And for that, the history and cultural and particularly the tourism and environment, these are the very important things. And I think when this project will be finished, like in 2040, then we need a lot of tour operators who can work together in Pakistan and in China. And that's why there is a collaboration, there is a need of the time that the universities should have the collaboration with the Chinese universities like Guizhou province. And now I am very happy that the president of the university, he told that in Guizhou they will make the first tourism university. So that is a very important thing because we are also the pioneer in Pakistan, the University of Punjab. We have the oldest department of tourism, and up to now, lot of students they are graduated from us, our university, and now they are working in international level. So, in my opinion, these kind of the conference will make the interaction, networking among the China and ASEAN countries people, so that we should have the collaboration, we should have the exchange of the students, we should have the exchange of the culture, we should have the exchange of faculty members, so that we should know the culture of the Chinese people and the Chinese people should know the culture of the Pakistani people. Because when they will travel from China up to the Gwadar, up to the sea, so we should be familiar with this culture. So in my opinion, this is very important.
Thank you. So what kind of collaboration do you think we can have between the University of Guizhou and the University
Of the
in
Punjab.
Pakistan?
Yeah, in my opinion, that firstly we should have the exchange program, like the faculty and the student in tourism and history and cultural department, they should come to Pakistan and do some internship program, like 1 month, 3 month exchange program. And the Pakistani student also should come. Like we already started the exchange program in PhD in history, and two of our students now, they are the faculty member here in Dr. Tian and Dr. Chong. They are now faculty member in Guizhou province here. And so in this way, first faculty exchange, then the student exchange, and then we should have some joint conferences and workshop like this. Like next conference should be in Pakistan, so that the Chinese students and the faculty, they should come to Pakistan and we can cooperate and co-arrange these kind of conferences and seminar. And the other thing is that we should have even the online courses. Some of the Pakistani professors in tourism and culture, they can also teach online classes from their to here, the undergrad students and the graduate students. And some of the professors from here, they can also teach online to Pakistani students, and maybe in summer when there will be summer vacations, so they can visit to each other. So these kind of the collaboration will help, and it will be sustainable. It will not be only for 1 year or 2 years, but it should be at least 10 to 15 years exchange program. Then we have a good collaboration.
Thank you. So I noticed that you are focused on the environmental issues,
Yeah.
and as you can see, Guizhou has a very vibrant, diverse ecology, and we have fresh air, green scenery. So under the initiative of the Belt and Road, do you think that we can have collaboration or cooperation in terms of ecology or in protecting the environment?
Yeah, that is very important thing, and that's why uh, the tourism department, it is under the faculty of Geosciences. That's why I'm the dean of that, and my PhD is in environmental sciences from abroad. So this is very important, that when there will be more tourists, they will destroy the environment. It is a natural thing, but we should know that how we can save the environment. If our tourist guide, if our tourist people, they know about the environment, how can they save the ecology? How can they save the plants? How can they save the animals and birds in natural environment? So they will give some training to the tourism students. So that is very important. And in my opinion, when there will be definitely infrastructures, roads and construction, we have to destroy the environment. But we have to build the environment after that. That is a very important thing. Because if we will not do that, then we definitely lose our ecology, we lose our culture, and it will destroy the environment. Then nobody will visit in that side, because the tourists and the people, they love the natural beauty. So if we will continue these kind of activities which is environment friendly, and that's why we have a subject of ecotourism. That is very important. How to save the ecology, how to save the things due to tourism, due to hotels, due to rush of the people in the cities, in the historical places, then definitely we have some mechanism, we have to save the natural beauty of that area. So these are definitely the ways, and these ways we have to give the awareness to tourism, clean environment. That is the main focus. And I think environment and tourism, they are working together, and they are sciences and the social sciences. It is the marriage like sciences and social sciences. These kind of the things, if we will work, then definitely we will grow.